Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that brings you in-depth reviews of gadgets and accessories that elevate your tech game. Today, we've got something for all you Apple Pencil users out there, the Ailun Apple Pencil Tips Replacement. If you're looking to refresh your Apple Pencil experience, stick around because this could be a game changer. Let's dive right into what makes the Ailun Apple Pencil Tips Replacement worth your attention. First off, in the package, you get not one, not two, but 3 replacement tips for your Apple Pencil. Easy installation means you can quickly refresh your pencil's performance, and you're good to go. And just to clarify, the Apple Pencil itself is not included in this package. Now, let's talk compatibility. These replacement tips are designed to work seamlessly with both the Apple Pencil 1st Gen and 2nd Gen. That means you can upgrade the performance of your trusty old pencil or keep your new one in top shape. One of the standout features of these replacement tips is their impressive wear resistance. Crafted from 100% nickel alloy with a crystal diamond grade tempered coating, these tips are built to last. They maintain high hardness and good ductility, even if you're using a paper-like screen protector. And don't worry about scratches on your screen protector. They've got that covered too. When it comes to writing or drawing, these tips shine. The spherical nib writes smoothly and remains highly sensitive to pressure changes. This means you can effortlessly create lines and shadows of different thicknesses, just like with the original Apple Pencil nib. So, whether you're sketching, taking notes, or editing documents, these tips offer a natural and responsive feel. But what truly sets these replacement tips apart is their ability to provide precise control. The fine nib allows you to capture intricate details with ease, making your writing or artwork more flexible and precise. It's like having a real pen in your hand, giving you the confidence to create your masterpiece. To wrap things up, the Ailun Apple Pencil Tips Replacement is all about enhancing your Apple Pencil experience. With wear-resistant materials, smooth and sensitive writing, and precise control. These replacement tips offer fantastic value for anyone who uses the Apple Pencil regularly. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech insights and reviews. If you've got questions or have tried these replacement tips yourself, share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. That's a wrap for today's review of the Ailun Apple Pencil Tips Replacement. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and stay tuned for more exciting product reviews right here on Product Critique.